second one we are going to solve. What is that question? Let me read. It takes 1 hour 30 minutes for Shubham's father to reach office. What was the time when he reached office if he started from home at 8:20 a.m.? Now what I should do, children? Should I subtract here? See, what they have given, already they have given the duration. Here 1 hour 30 minutes is nothing but a duration. Shubham's father to reach office. He takes 1 hour 30 minutes to reach office. But starting time they have given. You have to find out ending time. So ending time will be more, obviously more than starting time. When more comes means which operation you will do? Addition. Isn't it? Here what you should do? You should add. For that, first what you should do? You should write the statements. First statement. Time or duration of time. Time taken to reach office. How much, children? Tell me. 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay. Then starting time. Or you can write leaving time. Leaving home time. Okay. Or you can write starting time also, children. How much? Tell me. Starting time is 8:20 a.m. Now you are finding ending time or reaching time. That's what you are finding now. That is question mark. So what I will do? First I will write hours column, minutes column. Okay. So 1 hour in 1 hour column, 30 is in minutes column, 8 in hours column, 20 in minutes column. So I should add now because I am finding ending time. 30 plus 20 or 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. So what is that answer, children? At what time he has reached? Shubham's father? Shubham's father has reached time at 9:50 a.m. Now you will write a.m. children because it is ending time. It's not duration. So 8:20 a.m. means 1 hour. If you added 1 hour 30 minutes, if you added, that will be still a.m. only, before noon only. So you will be writing a.m. here. Don't forget to write a.m. Okay, you should mention this. Okay, children. Next, third one. Ganesh attends yoga classes for 2 hours 30 minutes. If the class got over at 8:35 a.m., when did the class start? Now they have given again duration only, children, but this time they have given ending time. You have to find out starting time. So more is given, you are finding less. Less means subtraction. Ending time is already given. It can, if you add, you will get the next time. It will be more than that. So we should not, because we are finding starting time. So what I should do? I have to subtract what and what? Tell me. Duration is given. This duration, if you subtract from the ending time, you will get the starting time. First statement is duration of yoga class. Duration of yoga class. How much, children? 2 hours 30 minutes. Ending time. It is 8:35 a.m. Now you have to find out starting time. That is question mark. So what I should do? Hours column, minutes column. So 2 in hours column, 13 minutes. 8 here. Okay, wait, ending time I should write first here, na children. See what mistake I have done here. First what I have done, I have written the duration, but that duration should be subtracted from ending time. But see what mistake I have done here. First I have written duration. It's wrong now. So what I should do? First I should write 8 hours 35 minutes. Next 2 hours 30. Don't do this mistake, children. Okay, it's a bit confusing. Okay, but when you practice, it will be easy for you. Now 5 minutes 0, 5 only. 3 minutes 3 is 0. 8 minutes 2, 6. So what is the answer now, children? The class has started at 6:05. What I should write, AM or PM here? Should I write? Yes, because this is starting time. So ending time is only in AM, means starting time is also in AM. 6:05 AM. Am I clear, children? Practice well. Okay. Read the question properly. What should be found? That you should get first. Okay. So remaining 2 are homework, children. Do it on your own.